Hi friends, welcome back to Chirag Enterprises Decarbonizing video. Today we are decarbonizing a Tata's Indica V2 2014 model car which has covered 1,78,000 odd kilometers. Decarbonizing is the safest process which hardly needs 30 to 40 minutes for a car, whereas no need of removing the engine to carbon clean. Just through the air filter supply line, pure HHO gas will be supplied to engine and the carbon deposits will be cleaned, ensuring the restoration of pickup, mileage, performance and engine smoothness. It also reduces the black smoke. Once the process is complete, all the carbon deposits gets cleared through the exhaust system and the vehicle gets a new life. The driver can feel the difference in only few kilometers of driving. Get your vehicle decarbonized and drive the difference. Contact us for decarbonizing at Chirag Enterprises, a NOS2 authorized service provider, at 8892730100.